In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail in Outlook, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. To start off, you'll want to open your Outlook app. You can find this application on your computer or device, and it should be straightforward to locate if you're familiar with using Microsoft's suite of products. Once you have Outlook open, you're ready to input your Gmail address. Make sure you type it in carefully to avoid any typos, as you want to ensure that Outlook connects to the right account. After entering your Gmail address, you'll see an option to click on Continue. Go ahead and click that. And what happens next is that Outlook will automatically open up a web browser for you. This is a critical step because it's how Outlook verifies your Gmail account. Next, you'll see your Gmail email address in the browser. Go ahead and click on your email address to proceed. This confirms the account that you wish to connect with Outlook. Now, after selecting your email address, you'll need to click Continue once more. This step pushes the process forward, getting you closer to having your accounts linked. Soon after, you'll arrive at a point where you'll need to grant permission for Outlook to access all the necessary parts of your Gmail account. At this stage, you'll want to select All to make sure Outlook has comprehensive access, and then click Continue. Following this, a pop-up will appear prompting you to open Outlook. Click on Open in Outlook app, and this action will guide you back to the Outlook platform, ensuring that everything integrates smoothly. This step is like bridging two different platforms, so you feel at home whether you're checking emails on Outlook or on Gmail. Finally, once you're back in the Outlook app, all you need to do is follow any additional prompts to finish the setup. These will guide you through the final configurations, ensuring that Gmail is correctly integrated with your Outlook app. The prompts will be simple to follow, so you shouldn't encounter any hiccups. And there you have it, you've successfully connected your Gmail account to Outlook. It's a convenient setup that allows you to manage all your emails in one place, making your email experience more streamlined. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Until next time.